Wait, let Matthew tie his shorts up.
Okay. You gonna show Lolo what you learned?
Okay, show Lolo, honey.
Show Lolo.
What'd you learn?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So hard.
Good job.
You okay? We're gonna stop.
I learned how to swim when
Wow.
I was in 7th
Seventh grade.
grade. Yeah.
Good
You
job.
know, I didn't know how to swim, but my friends said, okay, trust us. You jump, just jump. And so I jumped from the diving board.
Oh my god. I'd be terrified. If
I jumped from the diving board, and those guys didn't help me. I just
Now you know how to
dog
swim.
paddled to the nearest. And, that's how I learned.
I took lessons at Contra Costa with you. I think not with you, but
I took lessons, but when I was really little.
yeah. Okay. I took it with Karen.
How old was I when I took the
And,
lessons at Contra Costa?
Huh?
How old was I when I took the swim lessons at Contra Costa?